Good morning, all of you. Now, today, exercise 8.1, question number 3rd. Till question number 2 we have done. Now, question number 3rd says that one ratio is given, one trigonometric ratio, sine is given. Sine of A is 3:4. 3:4. And we know that the value of sine A, the ratio says side opposite to angle A, that is a perpendicular, divided by the hypotenuse. So this is the perpendicular, this is the hypotenuse. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So it is given 3/4 or 3:4. Now you know that whenever ratio is given, when we say the ratio of ages of two students are 7:8, suppose, then their ages, what we assume, when ratio is given, we assume the ages as 7x and 8x. If the ratio of two angles of a triangle is given 2:3, we assume the angles as 2x and 3x. Similarly, here the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse is 3:4. That is 3:4. Therefore, perpendicular, that is BC, I have taken 3x, and the hypotenuse AC I have taken 4x. So I know the perpendicular, I know the hypotenuse. Now with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the value of AB. So I have applied the Pythagoras theorem. So on applying Pythagoras theorem, AB is coming under root 7x. Now when we get all the three sides of the triangle, then we can find out the remaining ratios. We need cos A and tan A. So cos A is actually side adjacent or the base upon hypotenuse, AB upon AC. So AB we have taken out as root 7x and AC is 4x. X and x will cancel out. So root 7/4. Similarly, tan A, perpendicular upon base, that is 3x upon root 7x, 3 by root 7. Now similarly, moving on to question number 4, it says that 15 cot A is 8. So from here, what will be the value of cot A? 8/15. Now you know that cot is the reverse of tan. Cot is reverse of tan. So if I convert this cot into tan, I have to reverse the ratio also. So ratio will become 15:8 now. Now you know tan is perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular upon base is 15/8. That means the value of perpendicular will be 15x. This is the perpendicular. Base will be 8x. So now we can find out AC with the help of Pythagoras theorem. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem, if you simplify this is the solution I have shown. The value of AC will come as 17x. The AC will come as 17x. Now we need the value of sine A. Sine A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 15x, hypotenuse is 17x. X will cancel out, so 15/17. Next is sec of A. Sec is reverse of cos, 1/cos. And cos is base upon hypotenuse. So sec will be hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse upon base, 17x/8x. So answer will be 17/8. Now I have written this result for learning the ratio. You can use this result also. PBP HHB, that is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole. That means P/H. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sine. Base upon hypotenuse ratio is cos. And perpendicular upon base is tan. So Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole. This is for learning the ratios. Is that clear? Now similarly, you try question number 5 yourself.